Before we discuss the formula, let's remember the purpose of Ramadan. We are having Ramadan because the Quran says that fasting is there for us, لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ, so we may become more pious, more God-fearing. We may adopt more Taqwa. So, before we adopt a formula, we remember the purpose. So, in order to have more Taqwa, there are two things that we must exercise. One is the different forms of Ibadah. There is the Nawafil. The Faraiz are of course already there. Then there is, we already fasting, we have Saum. And we have Sadaqah, a charity of all forms. And remember, even a smile is Sadaqah. And then we have things like Quran recitation, Dhikr, Tasbihat, we have all these things. That is one aspect. The other aspect is tafakkur, tadabbur. To sit down, think, even meditate, to understand what I can do and how I should think to be a better Muslim. That is what we have to do in Ramadan, because at that time the different whisperings of the Shaytan are not there. We have a much clearer audio line into our soul. So use that along with the Ibadah, the worship acts that we are doing, to listen to our inner voice and to come closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala through this thought process also, so when we become closer to Him.